Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and today on the mill we have a white oak again. We're turning it all into 4x4s. These are going to be ground contact. These are for a deck. For the same guy who I milled those other boards for, he needs some 4x4s as well. Now again, I mentioned before, I'm doing this for half the lumber. So I think we should be fine. We have 15 on the small end, 17 on the large end. 15. So we should get about a 9-inch cant. Oh, 10-inch. With no waning, we should be able to get 11-inch cant. If we can get a 13-inch cant with some waning, I should be able to get probably 12 4x4s out of this. Yeah, that's a possibility. And maybe a couple 1x, because I'm going to make these 3.5 by 3.5 store-bought 4x4s. I got to clean it. I see a little dirt on it. We'll see how this blade holds up. I just turned on the air compressor. I like to blow these off. After I said I like to blow these off, I like to blow them off after I get the dirt loose. So this log has a few knots in it. So we'll see what we're getting. You know, white oaks are pretty cool. They're pretty important for the forest. One, the acorns are delectable for the deer and the wildlife. They really prefer the white oak, and they do come. They're supposed to come out every year, unless you have a tree that's stressed. But the thing about these white oaks, a lot of people don't know. Bats love them. At the top of the bark gets really flaky, and it gives the bats a place to hide. So if you have white oaks, most likely you have bats around your house. If you have bats around your house, that's a good thing. As long as they don't get in your house. We've had that. Okay, so we're gonna get, I'm hoping 12 4x4s out of this. We're gonna make this camp big. I'm definitely gonna need the tractor to turn this thing. Ended up getting 9 3.5 by 3.5, so we're going to call them 4x4s. Customer only needed 6. Like I said, half this wood's mine. He's actually gonna get a little bit more than that, half of it. Might end up getting quite a bit of it, but that's okay. He's a good friend of mine. So he's got he already has 4 4x4s, and I just made 6 more for him. He needed 10. What's this? Oh, that's solid. It's just a knot. Ooh, that knot's a little punky though. But I know he's going to be cutting these off. I'm going to have to get him one more probably. But I'm happy with what we have. I got a question today from a subscriber, Kevin Medchill. And his question is, looking great. On a different topic, I found I could saw faster before I added the power feed. My head return is slower than me pushing the head back. What's your opinion, faster or slower? That's actually one of my things I'm going to address in the off season. Over the course of the winter. Yes. What was his first name? Short memory sometimes, guys. Sorry. Kevin Medchill. Kevin. Yes, it does go back slower than when I'm pushing it, or then I can push it. However, those wheelchair motors are rated for 12 to 24 volts. So it's probably going half the speed of it normally would. If you would go to 12 or 24 volts, it's going to go faster. And I'm going to try that this winter. I'll just put 2 batteries in series and see if it is faster. It might even be a little more powerful too. I don't know about that. It would draw, I could use smaller wires because it would draw less amps as well too. But that was a very good question. Can you mill faster? Not over a course of a day. You got to push it. I got tired pushing it. Now, he's a young guy. He might be able to push faster and keep up, but he's going to wear himself out. So, no, I'm not going back. I'm not looking back. But yes, I agree. It is a little slow on the return. I'm going to try. All I got to do is haul another battery out here and put them in series and just see if it goes faster. And I suspect it'll go quite a bit faster. These are Electric Craft batteries I'm using in my power feed. So, guys, that'll do it. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you at the mill next time. You have a great day, and I'm going to enjoy this weather today. It looks like it's about to turn on us. Like I said, we're October 11th. I think in the next week or so, I think next week they're talking about snow. 70 something today. Must be probably upper 40s, low 50s right now, not a cloud in the sky. So that's it. Can you guys see those leaves? Isn't that beautiful? Just starting to turn here. Our maples look great. But, you know, our oaks are the last ones to turn, obviously. Last one to get the leaves, last one to turn. And so we still have a lot of green left. You know, one of the things with these oak trees, the leaves hang around for a long time. Sometimes they don't fall off until the new leaves push them off. So, I mean, majority of them fall off, but you'll get a good portion of them that stay on. So, here I am rambling again, guys. Hey, have a great day.